From NutriAdmin, and in this video I'm going to show you an advanced feature for the meal plans editor where you can remove multiple items all at once. So take for instance this meal plan I have where I have multiple items, and for instance notice the item bananas is in multiple locations, here, here, here as well. So imagine I want to remove all the bananas from the plan. So what I can do is click on remove multiple, and now I want to say I want to remove all foods matching the alias bananas, and I can preview changes. And if you notice, this will highlight in red all the items in the meal plan that match the name, and this shows me before. So this is how the meal plan looks before, and this is after it removes 12 items that it matched. So the items highlighted in red will be matched. And if I click confirm, this removes all the bananas from the plan. Now this feature is quite flexible and powerful. You can make it remove multiple things. So I could say I want to remove everything in this particular cell, so everything for breakfast Wednesday, or I can remove the entire row and column. So let's say I want to remove the entire breakfast and the entire Wednesday. So if you select those options, you can preview it, and you can see the entire row of breakfast will be gone. So this is how it will look afterwards, and the entire column will be gone. If I made a mistake and this is not what I intended, I can just preview it. And this preview feature is handy so that you make sure that you're not accidentally removing something you didn't want to. So you can preview how it will look like before and after. So that's it for this feature. Hopefully this is helpful. And if you are editing a plan and let's say one of your clients has an allergy to peanuts, for example, you can remove all the peanuts items from the plan in one go. Or let's say you wanna remove an entire row or entire day, you can do it with this feature now. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching.